Hey, BG Rides, thanks for tuning in. A few of us are going to go for a ride out to a place called City Hall. Real cool, old school tavern. Good place to get a refreshment. Enjoy a couple drinks, have something to eat. Exxon, we got Big Daddy, we got Medicine Man going with us. So kick back and relax for about 5 minutes, enjoy the ride, and have a beer with us.
I'm your third man, girl, but it's a fact that I'm the seventh son. Your third man, girl, it's a fact that I'm the seventh son.
Okay, we made it.
Yes.
We made it down to City Hall. There it is right there. I think there's only supposed to be a few people here, but there must be a convention, a Harley convention.
Social distancing.
Social distancing going on.
COVID distancing.
Yeah. But they got some gorgeous bikes over there. Beautiful, beautiful Harleys.
Let's have a ball. Check our sweet little town.
I don't know if anybody notices, but this right here matches this. Taco Thursday, look at that. Oh my God.
You're trying to get me by there for a minute, right?
Hey, you fucking snooze, you lose, man.
We couldn't find a garbage can.
Ask your girlfriends and see if they know. Read it in the newspaper. Ask your girlfriends, see if they know.
Fucking take it.
All right, we're heading out of here. We're done with the City Hall. Everybody's heading out. We got one more beer left. We got a Busch Light. Anyway, we're getting out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next ride.